Welcome everyone, brand new That White Volvo video. I hope you all have an awesome day. And as you can see, I'm back in my shop. My parents still have COVID-19. I actually need to be in quarantine, but according to the people we spoke, I can actually be here and I can go outside to like not crowded places with a protective thing on my mouth and everything. And yeah, but today I'm here. I again cleaned my shop like I do almost in every video. I hang up some license plate over there and over there. Cleaned this whole area. And yeah, I'm just preparing some stuff because yeah, the next upcoming 2 weeks I'm free, so I can do a whole lot of things on the Volvo. So one of those things is changing my complete fuel line from front to back for a copper line. So I bought some tools to make that. I bought some flaring tools. I bought a bend thing to bend those copper lines. And yeah, that will make my car a whole lot better again. So that's a very exciting thing. I also will be painting my lower front bumper in the color of the car, like I said before in the previous video. So yeah, I'm getting those supplies already shipped in to here. I think that will be here around Tuesday, Wednesday or something. So that will be those all will be things for next week. But yeah, that's very exciting. So yeah, I hope to have more videos ready for you guys around next Friday and Monday. And I have something very exciting to announce because I'm one of those guys that, yeah, in the Netherlands here where I live, I'm Dutch. We have something called Marktplaats. That's actually a Dutch Craigslist. And yeah, when I'm at home and when I'm doing nothing, I just browse through everything. I have Volvo 240 like at the top, and every time I go in there, I just hit that. I see every new advertisement for Volvo 240 parts, cars, everything. And yeah, I found something very awesome. So let's get it out of the car and I will show you guys. So here we are, and here I have my brand new dog rack, how you want to call it. This is what I'm talking about. This is one of those things you will find someday. And my car already has those like holes in the roof pre-cut, because sometimes, or some while ago, in the life of my car there has been a dog guard in the car. I can show you. Let's walk over here. And as you can see here, there are like very ugly rusty holes over there. And yeah, this is connecting to those screws over there, and yeah, you just click it in over there and then it folds down. And you need some hardware to connect it to your roof and to your bench. And sadly, I don't have that. Those didn't came with a set, but I do have a headrest. And just to try it out, this set, I picked it up for 30 bucks. 30 bucks. Normally, only this part. Normally only this part, and this is the type with the wire, not the metal one. So this is actually just a very light frame. It won't add any weight to the car or anything. But normally only this thing will cost you around 75 bucks here in the Netherlands. Some even go over 100 bucks. And yeah, these have just a spring system over there and not over there. So you can click it down and then you have these kind of locking mechanisms. Those will just snap it like that. So you need some kind of U-shaped bracket to go inside of here, and then the complete thing will just slide over it. You put those kind of hook things down and it will connect to your car. And yeah, I also have this one. So this thing, this is actually just 2 bolts. It stays like this or something, and this will give me the only way to have a backseat headrest for my 240. And as you can see, when you're behind the car, I don't have anything there right now. It's just a complete open space. And as I showed you earlier, I have the screws already there. So I need to make some kind of U-shaped bracket, and I think I will make them myself, because the original Volvo ones, I saw them and they are a bit like spacey. So I will make very tight ones. That thing won't go making any sound when I drive. And I need some like system to connect it to the roof, so that will be another video, of course. That's a bit much work for today, but yeah, this is an awesome feature, and I just love it that I have a matching set of old type Volvo 240 headrests, because you also have the new type, but yeah, new type on the back seat and old type on the front seat won't look good either. So yeah, I'm very excited to have that. Yeah, as I said, it was just 30 bucks. So they came with the original Volvo plastic, and there even was a flyer from Volvo with a date stamp on it. And that was the date that it left the factory, and that was around October 1979. So that's 4 years older than my car is. And I have the thing back home, and I'm gonna frame it, I'm gonna hang it on my wall, because I just love those things. I love those old flyers and everything else. And you might have seen that before here on my wall, because I have a Dutch flyer here. It's a paper sheet. And here's a 740, 240 turbo, 240 turbo, 240 sedan, 360, 340 DL, and there's everything in Dutch with the original prices in the old currency we used to have back in in the 1900s and stuff. But yeah, I love that. I have much of those back at home, and yeah, this is just a awesome addition to the car. So I really dig it, and I can't wait to put it in the car. And there's another thing, and that's not something I'm gonna bother you guys with, and that's another gearbox related stuff. We're going to change some bearings in that thing, and that will be fine. I have something huge planned for a brand new gearbox, an old type, an other type, I mean, and that will be fine. But I have a new job, and I'm going to be working with Aston Martin DB5s and Jaguar E-types, and like Aston Martin DB5s, where there are like 19 of in the world, and those things are like 2 million. That's going to be my new job in 2 weeks. So I already quit my job, and I'm 2 weeks off now. So I can't wait to start there. It's my opportunity to work as a carpenter, because that's my normal job. To start working at a car shop, and this is just an awesome opportunity. So I really dig that, and I can't wait to start there. But yeah, then the car needs to be perfect, and I don't have time to do a complete gearbox swap with another type of gearbox. So I'm changing out my input shaft bearing, and then the thing will be fine. But there won't be any videos about that. I don't think you guys want any more gearbox videos. But if you do, leave it in the comments and I will make one. I don't care. But the car runs fine, by the way. It doesn't need it actually, but I just want to be safe, and I hear some kind of rattling sound when I drive it. So, but yeah, that's everything I have for today. I don't have a very special video. I don't have a very beautiful installation video. It was just an update about finding these kind of things. And yeah, some of you who own these cars know how rare these things are becoming. Not these things, but these things. These headrests are becoming actually quite rare to find them in such a state, and these are just actually brand new. So it's awesome. If you guys like this video, please leave a huge thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and make me reach that 1,000 subscribers, and then we'll buy another car. So yeah, that was it for today, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.